my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic now about one man when I see this man say e no good make woman dey. I don't understand. He say woman wey dey he say if you and your husband wan jogodo my darling people, I go like more na me contribute for this one. No, this man saying na Christian. He say if woman wan jogodo with her husband, he say e no good make woman dey on top of the man. You know, sometimes na husband go say make woman still come climb am. He say e no good make woman dey on top of her husband. I come dey shock her like say why? Wetin cause am? Wetin cause am wey be say e no want maybe say e go dey on top of am? He say no. He say any woman wey dey on top of her husband, he say that woman no go make heaven. He say the woman no go make heaven. The woman no go go heaven because she dey on top of her husband. Now I say where that kind thing for still dey happen again? Wetin cause am? Like seriously? So he say I will put the video more lis ten wey the man dey use the mouth dey talk am. He say any woman, he talk different style. He say any woman wey dey jogodo with her husband rough, he say na sin for against God. He say any woman wey dey on top of her husband, he say na sin. He say e no good. You no suppose make woman dey on top of her husband. He say na sin. He say na man na suppose to dey jogodo woman, not be woman suppose to dey on top of man. Now I say me I never heard that one before. I never see where that kind of thing for the happen. He say na so e be for everywhere. He say so in dey surprise say these days women go dey on top of their man. He say e no good. He say na sin. So now because make me bring this topic, my ogbonge people, more na help me see reason am. Wetin this man dey talk, if na truth, where e dey for Bible, where God say e no good make woman dey on top of her husband. He say na sin. He say that person na fire e dey go. So I want more na help me see ask this man if he don fit go fire before too, when he come know say something dey happen like that. You understand? So me I want know if this man don fit go fire before, when he come know say people wey dey on top of their husband na fire that they go direct. Me I want know because I no understand this man. Hey, my darling people, this one shockalize me. He shockalize me 10 times. Now I say no, I go bring this topic. You wanna help me talk, but if really this kind of thing dey happen, like seriously, my ogbonge people, matter dey o. Things dey happen for this social media. So as I see this video, I say no, I must come share this video with my ogbonge fans dem. Mona help me see talk put say where e dey for Bible wey man, when God come talk and say e no good make woman see dey jogodo her husband. Sometimes you see climb your husband. He say e no good. He say na sin. He say e suppose maybe say na only man go just do the work. E no suppose make woman dey do rough jogodo with her husband. He say na sin. So me wan know where this man for read am for Bible, or maybe me not see no reach there. So me want make this man come help us, make he come educate us wella. How wetin make e no good maybe say woman go dey jogodo her husband. Me I never hear am before. So this man come dey make us now dey understand now say na sin against God. That's okay. So my darling people, I go like make una help me contribute for this matter. Mona help me talk put where e dey for Bible, where they for talk am for Bible say Now only man supposed to dey jogodo with woman. Woman not supposed to dey jogodo with man at all. Me, I want know my darling people. So things dey happen for this social media well. And I get one video when I go one topic when I want to talk about. I want to look for the evidence first, my darling people. Where 60 years old woman. That one this one go shock you now. It go really shock you now well, like seriously. So I go like maybe say una go help me contribute for this matter. Una go help me contribute for this matter because this one it really like this one it shockalize me like seriously. So my darling people, I go like una help me contribute for that one here. But this one now wey dey ground now, una help me talk for this one. This man, whether una no hear wey make I see talk am be gay. This man say where he say e no good make woman dey jogodo e husband, make woman dey climb e husband. So I go like una help me contribute for this matter, my darling people. I go put the video now, una watch. Then una tell me what una think about the video. Thank you, my darling people, and always put thumbs up on my video. Anytime you watch my video, always put thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.
Couples who practice a woman coming on top of a man in relationship when they are on their matrimonial bed, that they are not going to make it to heaven. That a woman, I want to repeat this because this is the warning the Lord gave me to tell everybody so that you hear it. As I told you, I have not been able to say this for months. Until today, the Lord said I should say it. You see, when you are with your wife, the Lord has made man to be the head, not the woman. So those men who enjoy their wife coming on top of them in their matrimonial bed, the Lord said they are not coming to heaven at all. Because they practice immorality on their bed. They change the ordinances of God on their bed. As a result of that, they are not coming to heaven at all. The Lord said he made man to be the head, and so shall it be. You cannot change that ordinance. The Lord told me that, number one. Number two, the Lord told me about those who practice like a dog on their matrimonial bed. Now, let me tell you this. Some people have devised a lot of evil things according to what the Bible says in the book of Romans. Romans chapter 1. Romans chapter 1 verse 30. The Bible says, backbiters, haters of God, proud, boasters, inventors of evil things. Those who invent evil things, evil sexual practices, the Lord said they are not coming to heaven. The Lord did not create you to behave like a dog on your matrimonial bed with your wife, or like a goat, or like a cow, or like a chicken. Those who do that are not going to make it to heaven. You see, that's what the Lord showed me. He said that department is a place where those who have practiced such immoral act are coming. They are going to be there. He said demons are going to feast that flesh that they want to give pleasure to. That flesh will receive pain. The pain that they have never thought of will come on that flesh. And that is why this warning is coming to everybody today. If you are married and you are practicing hanging with your wife, you are inventing different styles, having relationship with your wife, you are not doing it the natural way, the way God has made it. That a man should lie on top of a woman, but you make your wife to lie on top of you, or you practice different style, doggy ones, goat one, animal one, you change the ordinances of God. This warning is for you to repent.